Okay, we're all tightened in now. James says, after that videotape, you got to take me flying. I said, okay, here you go. So James will have the camera. He's going to give you guys a play-by-play what it's like to take off the Kitfox. And remember, this one's for sale today. Tomorrow it might be sold. Who knows? Anyway, here we go. James, the camera's rolling. It's all yours. So, just follow through what I do. Mags are going to go on. Okay, we check outside. Yellow clear. A little bit of throttle. Keep rolling. Good. What do you want to do? Take off in the grass? We'll take off in the grass. Broken right now, so don't worry about that. Everything's done. Okay, we're ready to go. Wind straight across the runway. Coming at about 55 miles an hour right there. You see the windsock straight across the runway there. Okay, now you hold up so you can see us landing there, Nate. Here we come down. Still flying, there we go. Anyway, we keep the runway straight. Hold a bit higher, James. A bit higher, can you see on the front? I got my tail up there. This is like driving the trench through there now. Down. There, now you're not going to be able to see anything. So here I am in the controls. I'm keeping it straight as can be with the rudder. It's really no problem to keep these planes straight. Turn the corner. Turn it back and forth, turn it back and forth. It's really not a big deal. If you get a Kitfox that's squirrely, I've flown dozens of them. I've never had one that's that bad yet. You keep your rudders, stop your rudders all the time, and look, go where you want. You start to go, you go back. If you do not, let it take off without you. That's all. Rather than spend all that money on all this new fancy gear, these mags are a little bit backwards. The owner of this plane, yeah, we don't know. We stole it today. Gotta keep it running good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the flight. And James, you're a great camera guy. Me? I'm just a guy. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. Hope you enjoy the movies. And stay tuned. Be safe. Have fun. Goodbye.